Mame Mao Akwaba Efa Umbra Ghana Insem TVGH so wofreme Addo searching. Ebusuafo Nana Jantua a journalist nka no wo Asempa FM CC or ahimfie or the ensem bia betudwa na o kire se when it comes to education ho sema the education sector no when it comes to that side na NPP party no far ahead than the NDC party.
Obie nim say me wonyoma bi wo ho a papa ne ye ya me kan ho asem. But opa ko akire when it comes to education maka no ha. In fact, say me compare education that of NDC ni MPP MPP e wo soro in terms of investment in education e chen NDC. Still na no yewra haruna edrusu ontimi mache sa records na yewra Nana Akufo-Addo ho ema education into free senior high school ebaye odika de minia panyin napo ebaye napo bon ne ho modern pa to ensure say free senior high school no ya hyase say edio say enya dio ya hyase ko president by 2017 but the first year now no say there be free senior high school na was say hyase eno ye ni ye ye betimi aka say challenges wo ho but bibia ni ho a challenges eni but he was committed say free senior high school no obeya ama na yi oye yenso eduru ba bi kra na nkra no eni ba bi omu beda eduru ba bi kra na yesi green any blue. The most important thing was that despite our four bekana green ni blue ni na se for to the bia omo betena fie 1 month na oma tena fie 3 months no ma ko school 1 month ni na se for no ni nyina keka bo mu no at least abofra bi etimi ko school free under Nana Akufo-Addo. That was progressive thinking. On mind be able to nima education and no Nana Akufo-Addo ye no. And then me go so bona basu was our education ho. Why ya dear ewo education adisua sika wodi shemu die din die mre ni nyina wo se nkra ni nko school. Enti na po free ho no ena yewra doctor yaw edutum ebae papa no so ba beto ade na po eye no so no osa de kon nani mo eme ehun se enwomesua be kon nanim yi a na se e wo se ye movie from debia de ye di baba ne babadie no ne ye de ekọ de abel from quantum pond de tie ebusia mame kan chiro ene adusua asesa first no na ye ka adusua na obia na adwene se ontra classroom nko a ene asesa ene obetimi atena wo fie na wasua de nyina wie enyo mesesa
na wo comment section ho a obi o ho bi a kire se Nana Jantua o person what kind of kware kire say the fact say journalist from okrom here plus NDC communicators mutu fufu Ghana for any almost so John Dramani Mahama buy no ene kire say Ghana for enim yansa o in education nko a in fact every sector education health every sector be a Ghana ha bia energy sector now this NDC. And the sad part of it is that journalists need you say when it all the sectors in the MPP are there. No quite na more can. Nana Jantua there and say we better jam. Nana do ne bra me man warning. Yet yes Nana Jantua the two jam yes answer. And some way and Nana Jantua at the etuja. And Nana ne brown so say Jenna dear be osha. Ocha say I am Akufo-Addo's brother. Nana said we should tell you to stop talking about him. Nana Jantua almost Nana do say otifie okay bi ote. Almost Nana do say stop talking about him. Your foolishness in some who na oti radio so di you know. Nana do president. Nana Jantua who nim say when it comes to education Nana do NPP far ahead, far better than NDC. Nana Addo promise Ghana for say Ghana for months abemame. Months abemame na me ba me the education free SHS baba. Indeed, Nana Addo buy the first time na when you 1 year 6 months in when you no the free SHS ne buy. Abofra bi a owo UK amwani so wan de bia me de be reference. Na nka mobroni ti say nka SS na ka SS no ko besi dan ko bi nso na Addo na da room to me ko wie because na Addo na version no school fees. Wo shempabo free, wo didi free, wo ye bibia books kwa na Addo provided. Na abofra no wo UK. Omo san so man scholarship wo UK. Na Jantua ni na wunim. Nso tena radio so se na Addo ye mundenyo se MPP fo ye mundenyo. E ka kire Ghana fo so won fa mahamembra. Nti na obeka se nyanya oden. Nti wo se nkwasese na wudi no e cause na Addo pain. Just say ya so stop talking about him and let him rest until Nana Addo me ni be ote kwa Nana Addo say mo fa me kuchia ho papa ba kope me ni be ote so ote ni mo so ote him mo ma no rest na ondi nembre na sane time so no nyame be frɛ na wa kwa asomji nyame be frɛ no so a until ase na memfu ye kwaso kwa de Nana Addo ti fi a o se ye rade akopa Ghana fo ebe de pa nti na Jantua almost Nana Addo why laundry no because we na unim dada nyafe na aba beka you are aware na Ghana journalist for the day I had to say black stars no Ghana journalist for more to say black stars black stars almost a bribing and corruption kwa na ekoso the same thing applies to journalist for nti Ghana na e wa hanede no man's land no man's land wo anu a to make kasa nkofo tie wo kwa dia obedi dia me yesidan ti Nana Jantua won kra ne
nyankantum ye po bi kura ma woni obi akosa sabi on preduasa sami je mfi nkwa na waye ayie a MPP fo akọ there be adenza sami je mfi nkwa ayie ni the people were abroad with it. Why were people angry? Catch me adentia because of what that boy did to your party. And unti some of you know, some of the amoba kwa akosha we kodidi. Na nunti de bi amoba sing sa be fu akoda no, sa be yi bro some dem fio trofo na or tete Nana Addo no mama mumu bi chance ma mutumi be ye nipa. Enya Nana Addo epede musi baby a na mumu bi ka akura mu ntena mu da. And na mu 2-3 cars. The man who made it possible to do that is being bastardized and vilified by a stupid idiot like Sammy Jenfi. And you are tight with them, all in the name of, oh, now we were friends. Politics is not about, politics is about fight. First, then, crass, send free ho. Send crass, some MPP for crass, some by force unity, by force we are the clean politicians. Shut the fuck up, you guys are not clean. Muye clean and Canadian Japan back say, oh, sabi 21 me the assembly about and Kabu man sabi and Kabu Johnny. Train the tata motoa and can say we know what to make an encasano. First, I'm crashing out chumning free ho. I'm an MPP people, and I will tell you anytime. I don't give a fuck if you people agree with me or not. Ebe ya mo betre V8 mo akoye na ya ba Uber na ya fo NDC for drivers na be fire. Ya ko bunya so amokura ya na mo be ba betena mo kwase air condition mo asere yen. Wicked former appointees. Demonic former appointees who came not to work but to destroy more. I'm on your tail. I'm on your tail. Don't take me for joke. Because very soon me do picture to an afa. No abetre bra to me body boa Nana Addo e wona bem. Betra radio so kasa. NDC ni so mu a. Eno che nkofo we omu wi ase oni evidence yo. O ma ya kronfo ye say ye. Na obi aba. O de ye my MPP ni. Patro honorable kasa. Obi, yes. Obi, yes. Obi, yes. Me pese me nuan NDC ni ne ti ase say. politics and yentokwa. John Mahama, or a fine gentleman. Sabi Obi, say ya membua, and non chesses say ya queen hontokwa. Na asemno ya me pese mekanini. Nana Addo ba ye no. Or no, o defending Nana Addo no. Enye bibia na oye I mean correct. Nanso ene moma ba ba mu. Inti ye besre mo se mo behu ye mobo na maye adwuma no na. Obi also to me kasa obi we mama ya confirm ya kwasempa we no ye. Na say aba honorable so. Obi. Ya ye nuanom ye ne de it's just a Obi ene akuafo ye ntua omo anesefo ye ntua omo Obi na me de ya me ya ne say e de na ye wo ya NDC for enche goodwill na beko for the sankwasia communication we kwa win the election ye ka mompe ikuru no da ho na ye ngwa ye nim na ye mia ye mfa sebe to pa ye ngum na mia no daddy na wa ma NDC ni kwakubu ahia onfa sebe paper kura nko studio da wa keka nkwasa asem de agu so honorable abotai obi ara kwetena na yesu nko you're better quicken up, man, because you see kedebo down for no agu so ba me tietie ni amani bia ekoswa na agu so ba. Sometimes I try so hard, say Marcus, to restrain myself. I try so hard. Me pacho politics down for far. So OMP now doing say politics is about friendship and you're an idiot. Get the fuck out of the party and go to where you think it is so. I told you I'm not minding words here. Me can't be a mo maintenance me be pramo. I can't go.